What?
We're not even in a war that's worth fighting. We just go to Iran, Iraq, and people just kill and murder and rape people for fun over there. And they come back acting like they're heroes protecting us from what? Terrorism?
Yeah.
Terrorism is not an actual group of people. Terrorism is a strategy. You cannot end terrorism, you dumb assholes. I really hate the U.S. military. Get that on tape.
You do that.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Hey, Ghoul fam, what's up?
Oh, hey, Ghoul. Hey, Ghoul. Oh, that person just watched me film myself. I don't want to do this anymore.
So,
On YouTube?
we just went to Walmart and we picked up some Gucci slides.
Yes.
And
Be ready to watch this video when it comes out.
And yeah, we're gonna go back to Shannon's house and decorate them with some jewels.
This is a little behind the
Just
scenes.
so you get more followers, let everybody know that I am in fact gay.
Oh! Diversity. And it's about to rain. I can't tell if you can tell. But I'm just blowing in the wind. And we'll meet you. Shaun just missed the exit, but that's okay. We can go to exit 8 because I know where I'm going.
Oh wait, look, we also got some slime because we know what's cool. Don't get on this way.
Oh, Kenzie, what am I
Just
doing?
keep going straight, Shaun.
Oh, damn it.
I gotta hang up. And welcome back, you guys. So we're just driving home now. Shaun figured out his way to get back onto
Hey everybody, how we doing?
Oh, look at those highlights in his hair. Just got them done. We're gonna keep going straight.
Hey, let's do a let's like sing a song or something for the content.
Oh. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. Beautiful. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. You're putting us off. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. Hey guys, we just picked up Delaney. We're heading back to Shannon's house. Gonna start our stuff for you, so we'll see you soon.
He won't talk about stuff.
Hey! Here we go now. Hey, feeling it. Nice. Here we go. 2, 3. A skinny lady. My name is Shaun. Yeah, it rhymes with Tron. Yeah. These till the morning dawn. I see him all day. I see him all night. And now I don't get any more stage fright. Oh! Feeling good. Yeah. Looking at these trees passing by my car. Yeah. Got a Highlander right in front of us. Yeah. Mile 9.6. Yeah. 69 is the other way around. Here we go. Yeah. Lobsters on my pants. Actually, they're crabs. You got crabs? No. I don't crabs. No. Scoop de poop de whoop. Poop de scoop. Whoop de scoop de poop. Yeah. Kanye West.
We are.
There's different sizes.
Yeah, just gotten here.
Sizes. I have 6.
This is a Michael's and Walmart haul. See, we got some slides.
No,
Ken's,
I am
tell us
making
about
sure
your
this
idea.
was authentic.
I think I'm putting the giant G in the middle with rhinestones around it, and then some of my dazzlings around the sides, to really give it that cultured feeling.
They're just
Delaney,
like
what are you gonna do?
I don't know yet, but I'm separating them by size so I can have an organization to it.
Shaun?
I am going to do larger on the outside and smaller, more precise diamonds towards the center.
Okay.
I'm gonna Google what diamond Gucci slides look like, and I'm right here.
They're just covered in.
I don't know yet.
Okay.
There's no way I'm actually gonna.
Okay, let go of it.
Guys, I'm so excited for summer. Oh.
Same.
We are in summer.
I'm feeling great. Look at my collection so far.
Wow.
Just those.
Oh, it's very lopsided.
Okay, it's literally very lopsided. I'm gonna need like 1 million of these. I don't think this is possible.
Yeah.
We need tweezers.
Is this bad? I don't think it's that bad.
How does that look
It
bad?
could be worse.
Kenzie's literally like, it's over.
Yeah.
Thanks, Shane.
So, I just finished my Gucci slides. This one is inspired by the Swedish flag. And this was inspired by Jesus himself.
Can I see both of yours? Can I
see both of yours?
Yes, you can. Look at this.
My reaction.
The Swedish flag.
Yeah.
The Swedish flag has a unicorn on it.
Okay, those are.
They literally look like Gucci
They look-
slides.
Thank you.
Yeah, Michelle's about
Oh
to
wow,
end
girl.
the side. My side of the slide.
Hey, Shaun.
Thank you.
Hey, Shaun.
Let me walk over my slides.
Yeah, me too.
Wow, impressive.
Thank you.
Halfway.
Hi, Bandit. How do you like that? No, do not step on the Gucci. Don't step on the Gucci. Stop it. Sit after the pizza bite. Go.
I don't really want people watching me eat pizza.
Mukbang. Hey, Ghoul fam. Hey, Ghoul fam. So today we're gonna be doing a review of Slimy Gloop Mermaid Edition. What? We're doing a review.
Oh yes.
Okay. So we're just taking out.
So
all
we
the
have
things.
60 milliliters of warm water in the bowl right now.
Yeah.
And now we have to add a spoonful of sodium tetraborate.
Can we just put it all in? Yeah, put it in. All of it? How much?
Shannon, do you go to college?
No, I'm uneducated.
You sound really smart to me.
1 leveled spoonful.
This is like the least technical way.
Oh my.
Oh, shiny.
I literally remember.
Do it over the bowl.
Shannon, sweetie.
I'm having a little trouble.
Kenz, why don't you get in this video with us?
Alright,
Just put in a little more than a leveled spoonful, and it's not really dissolving. Go, Kenz. Oh, that's effective.
I'm crushing it up.
You would like.
You can't
We want a lot.
Yeah, put all the glue in there.
Oh, of course.
Let's do all the glue.
Take the cap off.
I took the top off the cap off.
Yeah. Is that a
Top
song?
off the Maybach.
Oh. Yas.
Oh, look
Yas.
Oh, look at that dollop. And we're gonna try and put this all together as one big slime.
Yeah, there you go.
Isn't that just
There
some
we
glitter
go.
glue though?
We're gonna mix it in.
That's
No,
so
the
fucking
sodium tetrahydrate helps in this situation.
No, I'm uneducated.
Slime. Now we're gonna add.
We're doing a review.
Whoa.
This is something I did in 8th grade.
And these beads.
Wow. So, like, any reviews so far?
That's impressive. Thank you.
We definitely need way more glue. I'm not even lying.
Let's see. Progress report. Wow. M for money.
You're amazing.
I have not
I'm gonna add more.
That's okay.
You got the glue stick.
Okay, I'm so.
Say it again. What?
Not gonna lie.
I would never do
I'm not
some
impressed with
stuff
this
like that.
product at all.
And I like.
Why is that?
Like being on my phone.
It's just not authentic.
Okay, you see this?
It doesn't.
Do not buy. It's not authentic.
We're giving it an R rating for.
R?
We're giving it a 2 out of 10.
It's scary bad.
Actually, I'll give it
What?
a 2.5. I'll be.
Out of what?
I'm convinced sodium will literally just want the back of my throat.
You're convinced. Don't throw.
It's not good consistency, and it's like
Let me
there's
feel.
like
Clear glue.
none. There's
Let me feel.
No, are you cleaning it?
I mean,
It doesn't make a good amount of slime.
No.
But-
yeah. This is pitiful.
Messed up that they would sell me a product like this.
Here you go. How dare they sell that? Oh my god. There's a piece of the ocean on me.
You're RH negative like me. I honestly
What's the leaving a sticky residue?
Don't ever do that again.
Okay, well, give us your slime report.
I'm trying to get this all out to give it like a, cause like obviously if we give it a bad review, they're gonna be like, well, you should have used all the glue. So I'm trying to get all the glue out.
Here you go, Kat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, so it's not the
Okay, we got 2 slime kits, so this is the other one we got. Okay, wanna wait for you? Should we wait for you?
Can I pause while we have enough time?
You won't have enough time.
Why is this on a
Just take a
timer?
quick slime
What are
pause.
we doing? Are we doing
That
something?
looks sick.
Slime break.
Do people
Here comes
have
the
lids?
famous Shaun White to test out this product.
I don't have plans,
Shaun White
but I don't
17,
wanna
follow me on
stay up
Instagram.
late because I'm old.
Hey everyone, so we have the holographic slimy goop that we're gonna be testing out. It was $5 like the other one.
rainbow.
No, I didn't get the gate right. I'm sorry. I don't hate me.
The gun, the
Alright.
gun, the gun, the
They reach for the gun. All right, so I've never done this before.
The man in the corner.
Billy
Flynn.
Shout out to our friend, the theater story guy. Do not eat the slimy goop. Can do.
No.
Using a measuring cup, pour 3.03 fluid ounces of warm water into a cup. Shannon, would you do me a favor?
Yes.
And pour 3.03 fluid ounces. So that's 90 milliliters.
Gotcha.
I just stuttered so
But
bad.
that's more than was in the other one.
Sodium tetrachloropore.
We should be filming this part because nobody in this part would want to watch that.
Okay, so Shaun, give us a review of this
This
product.
sucked. Am I allowed to swear?
Yeah, I'll bleep it out.
Okay, this was really bad.
Rating out of 10.
Partly because,
I'm just really disappointed.
an 8.2. No.
8.2?
A 5.6.
Out of 10.
big joke.
Yeah, it just didn't satisfy me in the way that I thought it would. And it says easy to follow instructions, but they're actually kind of complicated. And I'm a college man.
Yeah, for theater, musical theater, we tap dances around stages.
Alright, let's not attack me like that. But,
So overall, a very bad review for holographic
I
slimy
mean,
glue.
6+ the ages, so I mean, it's like good for the younger kids. And for $5, I mean, this is not worth $5, and I really did need that $5.
Big lightning.
Big lightning.
Go slide.
So yeah, I don't recommend.
Hey,
Because
Junior.
I would have really been interested to see how the rainbow would form on the slime.
Gay pride.
But now that I'm like more playing with this, it's like actually kind of slimy. More of a solid substance. Because I mean, people are like the lol squid. Like, what is it? Liquid or solid?
So is it getting better?
I feel like if I keep
No,
working
I don't think
this,
it's supposed to chunky like that.
Let me just put a G on the
just
side.
to bedazzle them for me. Get this off me! Oh my god, back of the charger.
Wait, everyone's sucking. You guys need to do a recording.
Okay, guys, look at
Are you really?
Do I need to bedazzle mine?
No!
Do I need to seriously bedazzle them for me?
No, I'm not done with mine. I will after.
The glue isn't working. Dumb.
I hate the U.S. American.
I'm like different size of the speakers. This is the ghetto side.
What was that, Michelle?
I need water.
What was that?
I need water. Michelle,
Are you waiting for someone to get you water?
Can we bedazzle someone's body?
Dylan, can we bedazzle your body?
Kenzie, why are you over here?
Because I'm waiting for Delaney to do my Gucci slides.
Why can't you do them yourself?
Because I am not good at art. I'm more of a creative thinker.
Look at this picture.
When Kenzie's Gucci slides are the worst.
They won't be in a second. Fuck you and your mother.
And the U.S. military.
And the U.S. military.
Wait, why will they not be in a second?
Because I'm having my my people work it for me.
Hello.
Literally smell you from across the room every day.
It smells like Febreze.
Why are they roasting each other so? It's like literally tennis right now.
It literally smells so bad. And the air freshener is like above it. Like I feel like there's a divide. Your fart went to the bottom of the room.
Hey,
your
Kenzie.
breath was at the top.
The bathroom didn't smell bad, Shaun. You were right.
Yeah, thank you.
Why are you just like constantly farting?
Alright.
Do not do that, Shaun.
Do it, Shaun. Do it.
What?
Do it, Shaun. Do
Sean, it's hot glue.
it. Do it.
Shaun,
Let
if
it
you
cool.
do that, I'm gonna kill myself.
Part of your world.
Get out.
What were you gonna say?
I'll burn you. Can you please do this for me?
No.
I called you a beautiful actress.
She's
What
gone
happened?
there, Shell.
Wait,
These,
oh,
Gems.
My I have chubby fingers. I can't do this. Look at me. Look at me. I have sweaty
I have
chubby fingers.
stuff.
I'm way worse than you.
Okay, let me see your technique. I can throw my food away. You're okay.
This is it. First of all, this is how I have to pick them up, and then I pick up too
Gosh,
many.
right.
I don't even want to do this anymore. Somebody do it for me.
No.
Oh, that's like a tantrum.
Say that one more time.
A tantrum.
Here,
A temper
put
tantrum.
that over it.
Guys, code
Dylan,
red.
do this
Where
for me.
is my phone?
Don't do it,
Dylan, don't listen to her.
Where is my phone?
I'm literally.
What was that, Kenzie?
I'm about to have a mental breakdown.
Do it.
Everyone's done, guys. Everyone, let's go take.
Oh.
Literally.
Okay, guys,
Alright, my
let's go
life is
take a
joke.
picture.
Okay, everyone important is
Let's go.
done. Let's go.
Yeah, Kenzie, what did you say to Michelle?
I said, I don't care that you broke your thumb.
I didn't even break it.
And work it.
This one you have individual bands, and then you have this one band of pure diamond.
And how much did you
Did you
say?
say pure diamond?
2,000.
Pure
And then
tea.
also beautiful Gooch, not Gucci because only the young can say Gooch. Jesus is like. And you. Oh, are you filming on my phone? Because I can take that back immediately.
Let's just leave.
I'm self-conscious about my toes.
Me too. Let me scrunch them up.
Mine were $1,900 without tax. So
Mine were $400. They were on sale.
we don't do sale.
We don't
We don't do sale.
We don't clearance. We
Look at
don't
these. In this.
We
Unicorn.
only take off the top shelf.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ran away with Michelle's Gucci slide.
He's actually gonna ruin them.
Where are my slides?
What?
Where are my slides?
What's wrong, Michelle?
Where are my slides?
Who do you think you are? You just hit them on my Gucci's. Oh my god, get this. Michelle's gonna go approach Kenzie.
Oh my god.
I swear to God, if she
I don't know. Where'd you put them?
Michelle, last words, I gotta cut this off.
Stop away.
You really fucked it.
Hey guys,
That
thanks
just
for
feels
watching.
gross to touch, honestly.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our slime review and
Gucci slides and slime.
We had a great time performing for you guys.
overall slime bad reviews.
Yeah, overall make your own slime when it comes down.
Yeah, so
Honestly, get some cornstarch and water in there, and your kids playing all day.
so subscribe down below and hit that little bell to get notified every time we
Little
post.
bell.
Like,
If this gets 10 likes, we will eat some slime.
No.
I'll do it.
Shaun will eat some slime. And we'll go to Taunton Mental.
Signing off. Last words.
Have a great rest of your day.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts.